Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Omar's Garage. Today we're going to be learning how to release the charging cable when the car does not want to let go. All right, so I'm getting an error here. It says charge unable to charge, so it goes back and forth. All right, so we're going to try to disconnect this. We hold this down, it doesn't disconnect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect the cable first, and then we're gonna open the trunk up. All right, so in the trunk, there's an actual cable that you can pull down. And if you hear that, when you pull that, you'll hear this unlatch. Now the tricky part is now that's turned red. But the tricky part is you actually have to pull the cable while you pull this out. So I'm gonna try to do that with one hand. So I'm gonna go inside here, pull this cable, and we will pull that out. And that is how you release a charging cable when the car won't let you. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. We just showed you how to remove the charging cable from the port. And hopefully it helped you out. If you're stuck and you can't leave your house like I did the first time because I couldn't remove the cable, then hopefully this will help you out and get you back on the road, and you can figure out exactly, later on exactly what's going on, either with the charging cable, with the car, or whatever the issue is. And we'll follow up on that. If you follow my channel, like, subscribe, and we'll do a follow-up later on to see what the issue with this charging error is. Y'all take care and stay safe.